Okay, so I'm absolutely delighted to be here with the main man, the main organiser of Race Around West Yorkshire 2026, Clive from RRG Toyota Huddersfield. Clive, brilliant to have you here. Just tell me how you came to first get involved with Forget Me Not Children's Hospice.
Okay, 12 years ago I came to work at this particular centre within our group, the RRG group, and I was very soon introduced to Forget Me Not as a local hospice who look after very poorly children and provide amazing services to not just the children themselves but their families. And it became evident that if we were going to do something from a community-based perspective, that they were an ideal charity to sort of align ourselves with. So for all of those 12 years I've now been supporting them through the various events that we do here at RRG Huddersfield.
Brilliant, and now we're on with the biggest event ever. So tell me, how did we come up with the idea of Race Around West Yorkshire?
Well, it's just over a year ago, Michelle Heaney-Firth at Forget Me Not Hospice and I were at a Platinum Partners meeting, and we were talking about what we'd watched on television the night before, and of course the Race Across the World was the programme we talked about. And between us we just came up with the idea that maybe it would be a great idea if we did a version of that, but just based around West Yorkshire. And you know, from a very small seedling, an oak tree has grown, and we had a fabulous event last year and raised over £45,000 last year. And of course, you know, with all good things that come, you know, there's an expectation that we went again, and we are bigger and bolder and hopefully a bit tougher for the competitors.
It took off just like the TV programme. Obviously, not all of our viewers have seen the TV programme. No. So, you know, just tell me about how does this particular Race Around West Yorkshire, how does it work? What's the concept?
Absolutely. So we've got 20 teams of 2 people. They are starting from here at the garage at Toyota in Huddersfield, and we essentially register them and then drop them at an undisclosed destination, from which they receive a destination envelope, and they have to make their way checkpoint by checkpoint.
No mobile phones?
No mobile phones, no cash. They get a very small amount of cash. They have a situation where all their travel is covered by a travel pass that's been kindly donated. And so
they get a bus pass before
they get a bus pass, yeah, absolutely, before they retire. Yeah. So they get around the course through train, bus, cadging a lift, their own ingenuity, a bit of running, a bit of walking, a bit of climbing maybe. Yeah. Who knows? There's all sorts of things going on.
And a race to the finish. And a race. You can't say too much because all that is a secret.
Absolutely.
Nobody's allowed to know that.
Nobody knows where they're going.
Brilliant. Okay, and tell me, how many people have you got involved? Because obviously it's not just yourself. You've got a team here at RRG.
Yeah, so there's actually 27 members of my team here at RRG Huddersfield who are helping at the various checkpoints and around the course. In addition to that, we've got fantastic support from the group operation. With sort of 15-20 people involved there, you know, throughout the various stages. And of course, the RRG group have got a team running the race, so we're having to keep everything secret from them.
Absolutely. And you're keeping the day job going as well?
Yes.
Yeah, well, that's fantastic. Yeah. So, obviously, the main purpose is to raise money. Have you got a Just Giving link?
Yes, we have. All the teams actually have got Just Giving links, so, you know, by all means, please log on to their various pages and donate to them directly if you would like to. But if you'd just like to donate to the overall cause, then there is a generic link that you can just click on at the bottom and make a donation, and everything that you can offer.
And how many teams are taking part?
20 teams. 20 teams of 2, yeah.
Well, I hope you enjoy it.
I will.
Thank you. Everyone would like to thank you for all your hard work and making this happen for the second year as well. It was a great success last year, and let's hope it's going to be great again this year. Thanks for joining us.
Let's hope they're ready.